Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to work out exercise 6 and 6 star from the Excel book, page 25. Before starting our lesson, please like the video and write a comment to support my channel. If you are new viewer or a new student, please subscribe to do not miss the upcoming video. So let's get started. Question number 1. In question number 1 we have 8x minus 3 equal to 4x plus 1. We should find the value of x. So here we write (8x) and we bring this 4x to the left side, become negative minus 4x equal to 1. And we carry this minus 3 to the right side, become positive plus 3. It's the properties of equation. When you carry one term or one number from one side of the equation to the other side of the equation, it is sign change from positive to negative and negative to positive. However, this part explained completely with details in previous videos. So if you didn't watch that video, I recommend you that you watch that videos as well before this. So here we subtract 8x minus 4x, remain only 4x. Here we add 1 plus 3 become 4. Then we divide both sides of the equation by 4. Here become 4x divided by 4 equal to 4 divided by 4. Then we simplify, just remain only x equal to 4 divided by 4 gave us 1. This is the answer. Question number 2. As well, here we first keep 5x to the left side, the right as itself, and we bring this 3x to the left side, become negative minus 3x equal to 2, and we bring this negative to the right side, minus 6 become positive plus 6. Then here we subtract minus 5x minus 3x become 2x equal to 2 plus 6 become 8. Then we divide both sides of the equation by 2. The coefficient of x is 2. Here we divide both sides. Then we simplify here or cancel. X is equal to 8 divided by 2 gave us 4 equal to 4. Question number 3. Question number 3 we have 2x. We bring this 5x to the left side, become negative minus 5x equal to minus 1, and we bring this 5 to the right side, become negative minus 5. Then here we subtract minus 5x and plus 2x, remain only minus 3x. Here we add this minus 1 and minus 5, become minus 6. Then we divide both sides of the equation by minus 3. Here we write minus 3x divided by minus 3 equal to minus 6 divided by minus 3. Here we simplify, just only remain x equal to negative. We simplify by negative. 1 times of 3, 2 times of 3 is 6. So the answer is x equal to 2. Question number 4. Here we write 4x itself and we bring 6x to the left side, become negative minus 3x, sorry, minus 6x equal to minus 7, and we carry this positive for plus 3 to the right side, become negative minus 3. Then here we subtract minus 6x and plus 4x, remain only minus 2x. Equal to, here we add, because both of the number are negative, we add together and keep it sign. Minus 7 and minus 3 become minus 10. Then we divide both sides of the equation by minus 2. Here x is equal to negative by negative, 1 times of 2 is 2, 5 times of 2 is 10. So x is equal to 5. This is the answer. Question number 5. We write here as well 7x itself, and we bring this 9x to the left side, become negative minus 9x equal to minus 13. We carry this 5 to the right side, become positive plus 5. Then here we subtract minus 9x and plus 7x. This one is positive. Remain only minus 2x. Here we write minus 2x equal to, here we subtract minus 13 plus 5. Remain only minus 4. Then we divide both sides of the equation by minus 2. Here we write minus 2x over minus 2 equal to minus 4 divided by minus 2. Then we simplify, x is equal to negative divided by negative, 4 divided by 2 gives us 2x is equal to 2. Question number 6. We as well here write 2x itself, and we bring 5x to the left side, become negative minus 5x equal to 16. We bring this 7 to the right side, become negative minus 7. And the left side we subtract here minus 5x and plus 2x, remain only minus 3x equal to, here we subtract plus 16 minus 7, become minus plus 9, here remain only 9. Then we divide both sides of the equation by minus 3. Here we simplify, just only remain x. 9 divided by 3 gives us 3, positive divided by negative gives us negative. The answer is minus 3. Question number 7. We write 5x as itself. We bring this minus 2x to the left side, become positive plus 2x equal to 8. We bring this plus 1 to the right side, become negative minus 1. Then here we add this two number, this two term, 5x plus 2x becomes 7x equal to 8 minus 1, 7. We divide both sides of the equation by 7. Here we have 7x over 7 equal to, here we have 7 divided by 7, because the coefficient of x is 7, so we divide both sides of the equation by 7. Here we simplify, just only remain x equal to 1 times of 7, 1 times of 7, so x is equal to 1, because 1 divided by 1 is equal to 1. Question number 8. We write here minus 3x, and we bring this minus 7x to the left side, become positive plus 7x equal to 10, and we carry this minus 3x to the right side. This 14 to the right side become negative minus 14. Then here we subtract 7x minus 3, remain only 4x, equal to, here we subtract minus 14 plus 10, remain only minus 4. Then we divide both sides of the equation by 4. Here simplify, only remain x the left side, and the right side 4 divided by 4 gave us 1, and negative divided by positive equal to negative. The answer is x is equal to minus 1. Question number 9. Question number 9. Here we keep 2x as itself. Then we bring this 3x to the left side, become positive plus 3x, equal to 6. And we carry this 6 to the left side, become negative minus 6x minus 6. Then in the left side we add together 2x plus 3x, become 5x, equal to 6 minus 6 becomes 0. Then we divide it by 5. 0 divided by any number is 0, so x is equal to 0. And the last question, question number 8, here we write 8x and we bring this 6x to the left side, become minus 6x, equal to 8, and we carry 9 to the right side, become negative minus 9. Then here we subtracted x minus 6x, become 2x. Here we subtract 9 minus 1, remain only 1. Divide both sides of the equation by 2. So x is equal to 1 over 2. This is the answer of this question. This exercise is complete. Thank you for watching. Please like the video. If you are new, please subscribe to do not miss the upcoming video. In the next video we are going to work out exercise 6. Start this exercise.